and skin cells. Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. This is Beauty with a Hammer. Now today I have a great beauty video. It's gonna be short, fun, easy. I'm gonna be showing you how to do a lip scrub at home with ingredients you already have in your own kitchen. So without further ado, let's jump right in because these lips are getting crustier by the minute. All right, you guys, it is June. It's my birthday month. I turned the big 3-0 this month. And so I have been just indulging in one of my favorite pastimes. I love hiking and I love going to parks and this and there. And so if you don't already follow me on Instagram, go and follow me on Instagram and you can see all the beautiful places I've been to. I've been around here in Texas, but I have been out in the sun and just kind of enjoying nature. And yeah, when you're out in nature, the sun can do some crazy things to your lips. So I feel like my lips have been very dry and kind of like crusty looking. When I apply like my matte, I love my matte lipsticks. And so anytime I apply my matte lipsticks, they're already very drying. And so right now I've really noticed the extra dryness in my lips. And so I thought, well, what a fun opportunity to do a lip scrub at home with ingredients I already have. So I don't have to go out and buy a lip scrub at the store. A lip scrub you can do at home with ingredients you already have in your kitchen. And girl, let me tell you, if I can save a penny or two, you know that's my favorite thing to do. Beauty on a budget is always something that I'm really attracted to. So I'm going to show you guys what ingredients we have here today. Make sure you get some extra virgin olive oil, okay? Just virgin don't work. You need to get the extra virgin one. And then you also need some honey. I bought this at the H-E-B. It's local honey. And you're also going to need some brown sugar. I have here a little cup. I'm going to simply take one tablespoon of each of these little ingredients and mix it all together. So I'm going to take my extra virgin olive oil here and measure out a tablespoon. There we go. Now this is the first time I tried this lip scrub, and so I'm really excited to see the results. I'm going to show you guys a before and after picture to see if this is something that really makes your lips beautiful and brings moisture back into them. I'm really confident that it will. I mean, with all these natural ingredients. The next thing I'm going to do is take a tablespoon of honey and put that in there. I'm putting it all in my little mixture. And then the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my brown sugar and take a tablespoon of that. Now this is definitely going to exfoliate my lips, and so I'm really excited about this. So this is going to provide that exfoliation, that grit that we need to exfoliate the lips. So I've got my 3 little ingredients in here. I'm going to go ahead and mix that up really nice. And this is what it looks like. Okay, so kind of a little yucky there. So the next thing I'm going to do now that I've mixed all my little ingredients here is I'm just going to take my finger and begin to scrub-a-dub-dub. Now this is like really oily. So I would suggest not using as much olive oil as I did. And I'm just doing these like circular motions here and really trying to get the brown sugar to exfoliate on the nasty. Like I told you guys, all this sun exposure from hiking these last couple of weeks have really dried out my lips, and so I really want this to work. Okay guys, so the next thing I'm going to do now that I have the scrub all over my lips is I'm going to put this saran wrap on my lips to kind of help seal everything, and then just leave this the scrub on for like maybe about 5 minutes. And then I'll come back and wash it off. All right, you guys, I'm back. And I have waited 5 minutes. I ran the hair dryer on the low setting for like a couple of seconds just to warm it up and like kind of, you know, activate the honey and the olive oil. I don't know if that's a thing, if it worked, but we're about to find out. I have a little wet washcloth here. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this all off and see my results. Ooh. I will tell you that I feel a lot plumpier. And I can tell you that the scrub did get rid of a lot of the crustiness, a lot of the dry skin that was on my lips. So I am overall really happy with this little scrub. All right, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put this little glossy lip gloss on now that I've done my lip scrub. And I bet you guys this is gonna make my lips look gorgeous. I am using NYX Butter Gloss, and it is in my favorite color, Tiramisu, and it smells amazing. And I just love this lip gloss because it adds a little bit of color without being like too crazy, you know? Like you could wear this when you go work out and people will be like, oh my gosh, she's working out with all that makeup. Like, it's like, is it lip gloss? Is it sweat? I don't know. But I absolutely love how plump my lips look, how hydrated, how smooth they look, just with this simple lip scrub. So I'm loving it. And I know you will too, girl. So get in your kitchen, go find these 3 simple ingredients and get to lip scrubbing. All right, you guys, there you have it. Do it yourself lip scrub at home. Also, don't forget to treat yourself. It is my birthday month, and so I'm doing lots of little things to make my birthday month extra special. And one of those things is to make sure that I do a lot of self-care this month, a lot of reflection, a lot of taking care of my health and my beauty. As you're taking care of yourself, on the physical side, on the mental side, that you're also taking care of your spiritual side. And so for me, that means spending time daily in the Word of God, in prayer, and also with fellowship with other believers. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. If you enjoyed looking at all this beautiful glamness on your screen, don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to like this video, okay? That really helps a sister out when you like my videos in the whole YouTube algorithm or something like that. But anyway, please do subscribe, share my videos with your friends, with your neighbors, with your grandma, your tia, your tío, whoever needs to see my videos. I would really appreciate it. All right, you guys, till next time, take care. I love you guys.